Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Thursday, March 21st of 2019. So some announcements for today. So hopefully you wore your favorite sports team today because that is the Perry Spirit Wear Day. So hopefully you're doing that today. I know that I'll be wearing my White Sox gear. So hopefully other people have their favorite sports teams on. And tomorrow's Spirit Day, the last day for this week, for our Spirit Week, would be Wear Blue and Red Day, or your Perry School Spirit Wear. So if you have anything blue or red or Perry School Spirit Wear, please wear that tomorrow. For March birthdays, we don't have anything to announce for March birthdays for today. We'll be actually having birthdays announcements for over spring break. So tomorrow those announcements will be given. For lunch choices, you have mini corn dog, fun on the run, or ham and cheese sandwich. And today we have our 4th grade students here to talk about our paws.
All right, boys and girls, today we have 4th grade here to talk about things with our paws.
Everyone be nice to others. Try your best and read effective sentence. If something's too hard, don't give up. Try and try.
Good suggestions, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, guys. All right, everyone have a great day today. Have a great Thursday. Make some great choices. Remember, the choices are yours to make, so make it a great day.